Please, let me ask you something. If you disappeared for 30 days, would your business survive or collapse? Because here is the truth nobody tells you. Most people don't build businesses, they build trap. They become the marketer, the seller, the accountant, the delivery guy, and everything. And the moment they stop, income stops. But for the wealthy, they build system that makes money with or without them. In this video, I am going to break down exactly how to build a business that operates even when you are not there, step by step. Stay with me because the last point is where most people fail and is costing them freedom. Number 1, shift your mindset. First thing first, you need to stop thinking like a worker and start thinking like a builder. Poor mindset, how do I make money today? But rich mindset, how do I build something that makes money every day? If your business depends on your presence, your time, and your energy, you don't own a business, you are the business. And that's very dangerous because burnout is real and time is limited. So from today, ask yourself, how can I remove myself from this process? That question alone will change everything. Number 2, create system, not chaos. Here is where the magic happens. A business that runs without you is built on system. What's a system? It's a repeatable process that gets the same results every time. For example, how do you get customers? How do you deliver your services? How do you follow up? If the question is, I just do it myself, you are in trouble. You need to document everything, step by step, like you are teaching a complete beginner. Because one day you will. System turns confusion into clarity, and clarity makes delegation possible. Number 3, automate everything you can. If you are still doing everything manually in 2026, you are working too hard. Automation is your silent employee. It works 24/7, doesn't complain, and doesn't take off days. Think about this: automated emails, scheduled content, payment system, customers onboarding. Instead of chasing customers, build a machine that attracts and converts them. The goal is simple: touch it once, let it run forever. That's how freedom is built. Number 4, build a team. Now listen carefully because this is where most people get scared. You cannot scale alone. At some point, you must let go. And yes, it won't be perfect at first, but neither were you when you started. Start small, hire for repetitive tasks, delegate low-value work, focus on what actually grows the business. Your job is not to do everything. Your job is to make sure everything gets done. That's the big difference. A real business owner builds people because people build the business. Number 5, focus on revenue drivers only. Here is the brutal truth. 80% of what you do doesn't actually make money, but you keep doing it because it feels productive. Busy is not the same as profitable. So ask yourself, what actually brings in cash? Double down on that. Eliminate, delegate, and automate everything else. When your focus is sharp, your business becomes efficient. And efficiency is what allows it to run without you. Number 6, build a brand, not just a business. If your business depends only on you showing up, you are still stuck. But if you build a brand, people trust you, your system, your message, even when you are not there. Content, visibility, and authority. This is how people find you even while you are asleep. You are not just building income, you are building influence. And influence works for you 24/7. So let me leave you with this. If your business needs you every day, it owns you. But if your business runs without you, you own your life. So start today. Build system, automate process, trust people, focus on what matters, and most importantly, think long term. Because resources isn't about working hard, it's about building smarter. If this opened your eyes, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to stop working in their business and start working on it. I will see you in the next one.